Good morning, Year 8s. We're on week 3. This week we will take the week to do week 3. It is only actually week 4, but that's okay. We'll get there. Okay, the first activity is We Are Australian. Just going to read this through with you. The diversity blessing. May the God who created a world of diversity and vibrancy go with us as we embrace life in all its fullness. May the Sun who teaches us to care for strangers and foreigners go with us as we try to be good neighbours in our communities. May the Spirit who breaks down our barriers and celebrates community go with us as we find the courage to create a place of welcome for all. Claire McBeath and Tim Presswood. Now you have the song, I Am, You Are, We Are Australian. And I'm just going to let you play that. When you finish that song, I'd actually like you to tick the little circle, press return. So you've completed the first activity, and you should actually have that teacher assessed tick there. History of religion in early Australian from Indigenous time. Notice this has got a little dew box. Now, maybe we haven't quite mentioned these enough. Every time there's a dew box, you should actually submit some work. Let's have a look at it. History of religion in early Australia from Indigenous times. History of religion in early Australia. It's got lots of different symbols. You can recognise the cross, yin yang. You can actually recognise the Jewish symbol, the candle. Then there are various other symbols that people can recognise. It says, read the information below on the history of religion in early Australia. Open the Word document and save it to your desktop or something similar. Follow the instructions on the Word document to complete the table using the information below. Make sure you cut and paste the text and images given to you in the boxes to complete the table. Submit a copy of your completed worksheet in the submission box. So here's text to read about Indigenous Australians, Christianity, Buddhism, Muslim, so the different religions that have been in Australia at different times, Judaism. Here's your worksheet, and you're actually going to click on that and follow the instructions. Then when you've finished that worksheet, you actually click on the Create Submission box, and all of that information is there, and you either copy and paste your work into there, or you click and attach the file or drag it into place and click Submit for assessment. Now, I'm just going to very quickly put, my Word document is attached. I'm going to attach it and submit for assessment. Now, probably that's going to be your work for today.